Good morning, guys. This is Sumaiya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a giveaway of 100 3ds models on reaching 1000 subscribers, and we have 71,000 views. So this giveaway includes the 3ds models we use in the interiors, like we have beds, we have sofas, we have chairs. There are few dining tables, cabinets, round tables, and plants. With the plants, I have some small books and accessories to include it. So this in total we have 100 in numbers. I'll be providing you a link to download. So basically I have divided into two links. Maybe since I'm providing the link, some of the 3D models may lose the textures. I don't know, maybe because we are transferring the files. So in case they are missing textures, for the normal furnitures you can use the textures which you normally use for the wood and veneer, or you can refer my previous video on textures, which will help you to get the nice textures, and you can include it on the 3ds models. But for the plants we can't do the same. So for the plants I'll be providing you this Dialux file, okay, because these plants are really of low poly and low MB, and you can see it is very nice textures. What you can do is you can select this object, like say this one, go to the folder and mark it as favorite. Okay, so whichever model you need, you want plants, you want books, or you want the curtains, mark it as favorite, save your file, close this master file, and then this favorite 3ds models will appear in your dialogues. So this way there will be no missing textures. Okay, in case if it is a missing texture, you can try out this way, but for other furnitures you can use the direct textures, because moreover it's a veneer or a wood or the texture for the sofa, right? So the next thing is we are going to include this giveaway 3ds models folder in our Dialux Evo, so that it becomes very easy for us to access it. All you need to do is when I have shared the link, you can click on the link, direct download it. Okay, once it is downloaded, save it in any destination folder. Maybe you can save it in local disk D, or in your documents or somewhere. Okay, so next thing what we are going to do is go to the objects, select, and go to this third window, folder, click here. It asks you to add the folder, click on this. Next thing is wherever you save the giveaway folder, go and click it. Okay, so my giveaway folder is in, this is a folder, giveaway 100 3ds models. Click on OK, and the folder gets added into your dialogues. So this shows in the form of tiles. You can select it here. Now you have all the names properly visible. So all you need to do is include the folder in your dialogues. Then say when you're working on a project and you need some 3ds models, you can directly search the name. Like say I want some armchair. I will click on this and you can see the preview of that chair here. So whichever model you click, you can see the preview. Okay, then once you select it, apply and close, then directly you can drag it. It will be placed in your Dialux file. I'll be providing you the link to download the folder which has all the 100 3ds models files, and also one Dialux file for the plants, curtains, and books. So this is it, guys. In this video, this giveaway is a total free. There is no hidden cost or no hidden request like subscriptions. If you are on my YouTube channel, if you're viewing, you can directly go and download the link. And if you found my tutorials helpful, please do subscribe and stay tuned to explore more in dialogues with me. Thank you.